All right. For our last example, example 3, we're going to do the same thing as 1, and you're going to work with me to fill in this graph. So determine the appropriate, we talked before about scale and interval. So we should already make sure we have on there our axes. So again, we always put time on our horizontal, and our vertical, our y-axis, will be price of stock. So you might need to turn your iPad. Price of stock. All right, so our years that we're dealing with is from 1985 to the year 2000. So we are going to count by fives. We're going to say here's 1985. Then we have 1990, 1995, 2000. On the other side with our price, let's go up and look what kind of numbers we're dealing with. Here's all the numbers that we need to plot. So it looks like my smallest number is 16. My biggest number is 38. So I might try to have my biggest number be 40. And I'll have my smallest number be 0. So to evenly space them, I could think what's in the middle of 0 and 40? 20. Then I'll have 30 and 10. All right, our last step, I like to use this light gray, is to make our lines nice and straight. All right, we got our scale and our interval done. Now we need to mark a point for each corporation A value and connect the points. All right, so this is going to be really important because it's a double line graph. There's going to be 2 lines that we make. So we're going to figure out what color we want to use. I'm going to use purple for corporation A. Okay, so on here, we're going to look at corporation A. And we're going to mark purple points for all those. So in 1985, they were at $16. In 1990, they were at 20. 1995, they were at 34. So right about midway between. In 2000, they went down a little, 33. All right, we graphed all the points for corporation A. Now let's look at corporation B. I'm going to switch to green for this one. So corporation B, in 1985, wow, they were at $38. That's way up there. 1990, they were at 20. 1995. Oh, Miss O'Mara made a mistake. I looked at the wrong number. 1990, they were at 35. 1995, they were at 31. So right there. And 2000, they were at 21. All right, so for step 3 here, we were going to mark a point similar, and our last step, we got to make sure to connect them. So let's go through with our green first and connect. What's that one? Now I'm going to go back through with my purple. Connect. All right, we got step 2 and 3 down. Last, we are going to title the graph and label both our axes, which we already did. So that's good. We got that. Include a key. You might be familiar with a key from Miss Krogsing's class. We use a lot of keys with maps. So let's make sure we title it first. We're going to title it Stock Prices. And then our key, what it wants to know for our key is that we have the 2 different lines. So we need to make sure that we say what each line is for. So remember, oh, sorry, my dog needs to go out. So we're going to wrap this up and let him out. So this purple is Corporation A. And remember, the green was Corporation B. And this is our... All right, we did step 4. You can check that off. Our last thing here is your independent practice. You are going to try this last one on your own. Reach out to me if you need help, okay? And I will talk to you later. Submit to Schoology when you're done. Bye.